Hi, my name is Marjudy Masuer. This video, the importance of understanding the self and the future career as automotive technology. Self-awareness is essential for future professional success in any sector, including my dream of being automotive. A career in my dream car requires self-awareness for the following reason. Self-awareness, having a clear understanding of my values, interests, and areas of strength and weakness will help you make informed career decisions. A career in automotive engineering or advanced vehicles technology, for example, I could choose if I had a strong interest in technology and problem solving. Developing skill self-awareness allows me to identify the skill and information I must acquire to success in my chosen field. Knowing my advantage and disadvantage will help me concentrate on developing specific competencies critical to the automotive sector, such as technical skill, problem-solving abilities, communication skill, and collaboration of together. Career fit. There are various career paths in automotive sector, including those is engineering design, manufacturing, sales, marketing, and management. Finding things that fit my interests, professionality, and values can be made easier by gaining a better understanding of myself. Knowing my own advantages and disadvantages will help me create goals that build on my strength and target my areas of weakness. I can keep my motivation and focus on my work path and doing this.